found, new evidence suggests Planet 9 is real. Elizabeth Howell of Live Science contributor, Live Science. Well, we know that a couple of years ago, Caltech came out with the explanation that because of the changes in the orbits of our planets, something must have a force pulling on them. And they believe that there is a possible ninth planet in our solar system, known as Planet 9. Well, they don't want to call it Planet X or Nibiru, so they're calling it Planet 9. And it's illustrated orbiting far beyond Neptune's orbit, shown as a ring around the sun. The solar system just got a bit stranger. As astronomers continue their ongoing quest to find the elusive Planet 9, a team found a space rock that lends credence to the idea that a huge super-Earth planet really does exist in the outer reaches of our solar system. The newfound asteroid called 2015 BP 519 adds to a growing body of evidence about little worlds in our solar system being perturbed by something big. Astronomers detailed this discovery and description in the new paper, adding that this bizarre angle of its orbit gives more weight to the idea that a big planet is out there somewhere, tugging on the asteroid's path around the sun. Quote, "We also consider the long-time orbital stability and evolutionary behavior within the context of the Planet 9 hypothesis and find that 2015 BP 519 adds to the circumstantial evidence for the existence of this proposed new member of the solar system," end quote. Read the abstract of the paper, which is available now on preprint website ARXIV, and it has been submitted to the Astronomical Journal. How astronomers could actually see Planet 9. Following up on the discovery, Quantum magazine recently published an article surveying several astrophysicists who specialize in the study of these small worlds, including the discovery of 2015 BP 519. While not everybody agrees that Planet 9 was responsible for the strange orbit, the overwhelming majority do agree the new discovery gives more credence to the idea. Quote, "The second you put Planet 9 in the simulations, not only can you form objects like this object, but you absolutely do," unquote. This is what the lead author, Juliet Becker, the graduate student at the University of Michigan, told Quanta. There is a little video that you can see here embedded in this article by Caltech. It's a simulation of how the orbits work. It's not the first time Planet 9 was blamed for pushing an object around. Back in 2014, before Planet 9 was officially hypothesized, astronomers Scott Shepard and Chadwick Trihulo noticed orbital irregularities in several small bodies around Neptune's orbit, beyond Neptune's orbit. These included dwarf planet Sedna, a newfound object called 212 VP113, and several other trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs for short. Then in January 2016, astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown saw more evidence of trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, with perturbed orbits. They were the ones who first gave Planet 9 a name, size, and distance. They suggested that the mysterious planet could be a huge one. It could be 10 times more massive than Earth, located 600 astronomical units from the sun. Well, when you come to think of it, it's not that much far. It's not that far out from Earth. 1 AU is the average distance between Earth and the Sun, which is 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers from Earth. A flood of studies following trans-Neptunian objects and now Planet 9 might have affected their orbits. The following summary is just a sampling. Not all teams were enthusiastic, with one group from the Outer Solar System Origin Survey, OSSOS, cautioning that many of these surveys could be just observational bias. But astronomers persist, with Shepard and Trujillo discovering at least two new TNOs possibly affected by Planet 9. Another study showed Planet 9 perhaps influencing the tilt of planets in our solar system. And in 2017, astronomers from the University of Madrid in Spain found peculiarities in the orbits of 22 extreme TNOs that orbit the Sun that could also be explained by a large distant body exerting gravitational influences. These TNOs never get closer to the Sun than Neptune, which is 30 AUs away, orbiting the Sun in a rough circle, and have an average distance of at least 150 AU. By October 2017, Vatican said there were at least 5 different lines of evidence that suggest the existence of that planet. Quote, if you were to remove this explanation and imagine Planet 9 does not exist, then you generate more problems than you solve. All of a sudden, you have 5 different puzzles, and you might come up with 5 different theories to explain them, he said in a statement. I'll leave a link below for you for this. This is on Live Science.